Hey there, Gareth here from Jonard Tools. Whether you're an installer, technician, or telecom professional, having the right tools at your fingertips is essential. Introducing the Telecom RJ45 Belt Pouch Toolkit, your ultimate on-the-go solution for tackling any job with efficiency and precision. First up, the 12-pocket tool pouch, part number H120, designed with durability and ease of use in mind. This rugged nylon tool pouch is the first thing you grab on your way to the job. It features 12 pockets, including one zipped, one side pocket, and 9 tool organizers inside one large pocket, as well as steel measuring tape mount for easy access. Here's what's inside. The SD61, a 6-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver with reversible shaft, which can be configured to work on 6 types of driving heads. It's made of special alloy steel with polished finish for exceptional strength and long life. Then we have the ES 1964 ERG, electrician scissors, designed for comfort and precision. With their ergonomic grip and sharp, durable blades, cutting through cables is quick and effortless. For stripping, the CST92 coax cable stripper is your go-to tool for clean, effortless strips on RJ59, RJ6, tri and quad shielded, N48, RJ7, and RJ11 cables for quick and easy termination. Terminating network cables is made easy with the 6-in-1 crimping tool, part number UC4569. With its ergonomic design cushion grip and ratcheting mechanism, this tool is constructed for greater comfort and extended use. A pair of combo Crimper long nose pliers made with heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with induction hardened cutting edges. This 5-in-1 tool provides maximum strength and durability. Plus it includes an ergonomic designed handle with double dipped grip for comfort as well as torque. And of course, no Telecom kit is complete without RJ45 625 pass-through connectors. These connectors are designed for faster termination, providing more secure fit and reduced waste. Everything you need is now within reach, neatly stored in one convenient pouch. No more constantly climbing up and down ladders to retrieve your tools. Get yours today and streamline your work with the best tools in the business. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.